everyone, this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am super excited because I am doing another collaboration this year with Vee-ology. All right, and I did this collaboration with her last year, and it's called A Tray for Santa with a Twist. And she asked me if I would be her co-host again, and I said yes because I actually love this collaboration. All right, so the details are very simple and are as follows. I'm going to be looking at my list, so I make sure I give you the details, okay? So the details are, you must show your favorite cookie. It can be home baked or it can be store-bought, whatever it is, as long as it's your favorite cookie, and you must show it. All right, you must include a letter to Santa. Mention the host and co-host in your videos. Include the host and co-host channel links in your description box, and I have added the channel links in my description box, so all you have to do is just go and copy and paste and add it in yours. All right, must be subscribed to the host and co-host channel. All right, the host of this collaboration is Vee-ology. The co-hosts are myself, Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, Simply MEnique, Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Maryland, and Caters Eat. All right, you are to style your tray any way you like. The twist is you must wear pajamas. All right, you must wear pajamas for this collaboration, which is a lot of fun. All right, the upload date is December the 6th, 2020 at 7:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, the upload date is December the 6th, 2020 at 7:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so make sure you go over to the other lady channels, the host as well as the other co-hosts, and check out their invite video and show them some love over on their videos. All right, and also let me know in the comment section below right here on my video if you will be participating in this collaboration. We would love to have you a part of this collaboration, and I'm going to also link in the card section right here the video from last year, A Tray from Santa. So make sure you go and check it out if you did not, and make sure you go over to Vee-ology's channel as well as Fabulous Design on a Budget and Caters Eat, and Simply MEnique. All right, check out their invite video and just let us know if you're going to participate. All right, I will see you all on December the 6th, 2020 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You all have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.